Let's walk through the process of setting up the LTI connection. This will require admin access. LTI is a protocol that allows for a safe and secure connection with your LMS. You don't need separate accounts. It works seamlessly to transfer all relevant information between your LMS and Graide. Firstly, navigate to the Developer Keys page. You can do this by clicking the admin page on the left, then whatever your instance of Canvas is called, this will be on the main page, and finally by clicking the Developer Keys on the left. We're going to make a new LTI key. To do this, click on the plus Developer Key button, followed by the plus LTI key button. Next, we're going to fill in the settings. The name should be Graide_key. The redirect URL should be graide.io/auth/LTI. The method should be manual entry. The title and description should be Graide. The market link URI should be graide.io/auth/LTI. The OpenID connection initiation URL should be graide.io/auth/LTI/login. The JWK method should be public JWK URL, and the public JWK URL to graide.io/auth/LTI/keyset.json. Next, for the LTI Advantage service, you're going to require can retrieve user data associated with the context the tool is installed in to be on. Next, change privacy level to public. Then delete all placements and add assignment section. Next, set LTI deep linking request, then save. You'll be taken back to the Developer Keys page. Make a note of the client ID under the details, because you'll need it later. Next, we're going to switch the state to on. Then navigate to the settings on the left, followed by the apps tab on the page. Next, click the plus app button, set the configuration type to by client ID, then paste the client ID from earlier, and press submit. Next, click install. We're almost done now. Click the cog, followed by deployment ID. Make a note of this because it will be required later. If you send us the following information, we can configure the LTI connection on our end. We require the client ID, the deployment ID that you just made a note of, and we will also require the authentication endpoint, the access token endpoint, and the JWK set. The links that are shown on screen are the default ones, but yours might be different.